taking the diabetes, checking the blood sugars for the diabetes. We will do consultation as needed. We will talk about the diet, weight reduction, exercise, and other areas that will result in doing or having a better health. We are proud to be here to serve the community, and we do welcome all of you as you come to check out your health. It's good to be healthy. In a day and time like this, we want you to be in good health so you can live long and longer. If you need further services, as we do the assessments, we do want you to call our number at Royal Home Health, so we can check further to see if you need our services in the convenience of your home. The number at Royal Home Health is 708-535-0277, or you can reach us at an alternate number, 773-295-4231. We look forward having a talk with you about your health, and we welcome you again to come in and let us check you out, for your health is important to us. See you later.